Now I've also put the switches on. I've got the front lights on and the cab lights on. But due to me having no nails, I've had to use a cocktail stick to turn the switches on. But anyway, let's give her some juice. Well, look at that. She is running like a dream. As you can see, the lights are lighting up at the front. I'll only use the cab lights at night time. And the cab lights are turned on, but I might have to do some tests later on at night to see them. But I am assuming that the cab lights are on. I mean, she's just running absolutely smoothly. Here she comes. There's no problems with her. Anyway, let's turn the power up. That's slightly faster. Excuse the plants in the way. Ah, yeah. She's running incredibly beautifully. Let's get a shot of her passing the signal box, a closer shot. Oh, and I've also forgot to mention that these flatbeds here, the container ones, are ready for her to pull. I do have the containers, so I will get 2 more because I've now sold my eBay item. Because the fundings for that came out of my pocket money, and the fundings for the local I sold on eBay, which was the GWR Parcels rail car, I'll probably get 2 more of these. I'm hoping to get some heavy oil coal hoppers, and also some of the Network Rail IOA trucks, the Network Rail yellow ones for this to pull. So she will have a lot of upcoming work to do. Let's see her coming through the tunnel then. Because it is slightly dark under here. And there it is. And that is her actual slow speed. Now that is impressive. Just look at that, and I'm not even turning the controller up. That is how slow she goes. Snug as a bug in a rug. I also will mention that actually the cab lights have also are on, even though I've not moved the switch. So I suppose the switch has to go the other way, but the lights, as I have noticed whilst going through the tunnel, they are on. Now that is impressive. And it's on dirty track, remember? Well, it's on dirty track because I haven't cleaned it for a while. Ugh. But you know, there's no problems yet. But let's take her back up to the high speed she's happy with. And stop her. And get a overview of her. Well, I can't wait for her to have some work done for her. Put in the heavy oil car hoppers and stuff like that. Oh, I think, yeah, I thought the Buffalo ski loaded, but it's not. She is absolutely beautiful, because I do have a really big interest in these Class 70s now. She's one of my favourite diesels. And I do highly recommend you get her. I guarantee you will not be disappointed. So that's all I have time for today. I've got to leave this locomotive running, that's what they recommend you do. And I'll see ya. Okay, now before I go, I'm just going to see how much this thing weighs. So let's put it onto the scales. and it weighs 433 grams, which is 433 grams, and that is really heavy. I also want to make a comment that this thing is also very, very beautifully quiet, because if you just move that out of the way, when I was in that room over there, which is the kitchen, I could barely hear this. I couldn't even hear it. Nor could I hear it when it was in the garden, because that's how quiet it is. And that is a really nice touch. So I just wanted to say that before I actually sign off properly. So thank you for watching the Bachmann Class 17. I'll see you some other time in the review.